snippy when I see one. Alright, thank you so much. Alright, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, as I promised earlier, we have a series of performers and artists. So let's start our first performer. So he is a product actually of Burjuman Street Food Festival. He started performing last year with the season 2, and he's reached some heights now. He'll be performing internationally. So let's interview Craig later on. Let's have his first set. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Craig Fernandez.
have later. I have a chewgum later.
Korean grocery over here. Stir fry and dumpling, churros, potatoes, kain tayo, merienda, DXP Taho, El Cocinero, Mr. Kicks, Sushi Republic, Shrimp and Company, John Daniel's Burger, Momo's Cafe, Keventers, Papa's Restaurant, Carol's Cafe, Bibinka and Parata, Mamshi's Oven, Kolaba Street Food. And once again, every minimum purchase of 30 dirhams from any of our food vendors gives you a chance to play our claw machine. Our claw machine is located by the entrance of the street food. Just present those receipts. So please keep those receipts and present them over to our personnel by the entrance and get to play the claw machine. Get a chance to win our cute stuffed toys and of course vouchers also inside the machine. With those purchases, also 30 minimum purchase, you get to play the billiards. Hello, hi, welcome. Please try our food, alright? Are you singing? Do you sing? You're horrible in singing. Do you dance? Alright. Well, later on, okay, maybe you can join me on stage. You look awesome though. Alright, enjoy. So now, speaking of awesome, I'd like to call in over an awesome friend of mine. It's you. Uy, you! I'd like to call in over Gumdan. Gumdan, come on man. Join me. A big round of applause for Gumdan! Yes, hello Gumdan. You can use that microphone, brother. Alright. Microphone check. Check the mic. Okay. No, he will turn it on for you. Again. He's shouting. Oh my gosh, why is he shouting?
Right to dance with Jomai. Bumbong ma, meron din dito ma.
Of course I will shout. You will take something from me like this.
Ali 45.
You,
Ay,
why are you taking something like that? Should be your agree. Why are you taking like this? Okay, I am excited. Ask them if they're ready to see you.
Are you ready?
Here's a very special
Halo-halo sa.
action.
Halo-halo na.
Acting scenario. Alright? Let's do this. Ladies and gentlemen, my friend, Gumdan.
Yes, susunod na kayo.
Ana, Sultan Khan. Yali, he will take from mine, Sultan. He has to kill me first. Prince Qasim, if you want to take my Sultan, you have to kill me first, or I have to get the snake from you, Sultan Hussein.
I will spread love with your Muslim also. So you know, we're practicing the religion of peace. Yes. Sasagot po tayo ng who, ha? Once again, who? Tugon? One more time. Tugon? Very good. Ang dami ko tugon. Very good! Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Gumdan! I love that. Okay. Oh gosh, no! Everybody here, please stay in
गलत हो रहा था कौन है छोड़ना छोड़ना गलत अन्ना में गलत हो रहा था अन्ना में मेरी वो आई कैसे
But you know what King told me? You know how to sing. Yeah, he told me. That is the...
Habibti, mashallah, ऐसी ना 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 oh la 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 oh
Very good. Ang galing. So, now, later we will call you again for another acting. You take rest.
okay, now the rest of the
every purchase of 30 dirhams here, you play the claw machine. So if you buy something from the vendors, you give the receipt. So the receipt, if it is 30 dirhams, you give it to that person in the entrance, and you will play the claw machine. Yeah, there's a machine there. Oh, this one, and from outside, yes, from the entrance of the food festival, you give the receipt, you will play the claw machine, and you get a chance to win stuffed toys, and of course vouchers also. And also every 30 dirhams purchase, you play the billiards. Did you play the billiards? You don't know. Maybe later we will play. Which one? The football. The small football, no? See? This one. Yeah, football. So later maybe we will play billiards. Also, so 30 dirhams minimum purchase, alright? We also have the kids corner. Did you see the kids corner? Here. They have arts and craft. You make drawing, you make color, like this. Yeah, every minimum purchase of 30 dirhams. Yes, you make color, you draw, like this. Too much place to do. There's also colors in color.
Seafoods, boss. 25 dirham only, boss. You can eat seafoods. 8 kind of different seafoods.
Check out.
And you have a 7 kind of different sauces, and you have 2 kind of different juices.
Very good.
25 dirham, you have
Only
a rice,
25 dirham.
You have a juices.
And this is street food from...
Shrimp and Company.
Ah, okay.
Same one, our bestseller. That is a good boss. That is a fish. If you want to make order, I will make it fresh for you.
Sure.
I will make it hot.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Check out.
Okay, thank you so much.
Welcome. Oh.
Philippine Independence Day last June 12. So I think we have a Filipino song, crying song. You have a crying song. You are the one who made this, or you hear this in the radio. Okay, you will sing for us, huh? You sing for us. To all our kabayans, to all the Filipinos here, here's a very special Filipino song from Gamitan. Are you ready? Ask them if they're ready.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Are they ready? Okay, go!
I like Filipino because too much talking. I like Filipino because too much eating. I like Filipino because too much eating. I like Filipino because too much talking. Kamusta ka, maganda, kamusta ka?
Wow, kamusta? You hear this song? Too much eating? How about you? You also too much eating? Huh? Well, you make all the Filipino here happy and happy. Thank you so much, Kaptan, okay? Shukran, Ashkur. I will see you after, okay? I will have you on stage again. You will dance for us later.
Yeah, but
Yeah?
first,
Very nice.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Wait, before you leave the stage. Hi, Dave. So, can you turn on this microphone? Yes, there you go. Once again, a big round of applause for Craig Fernandez, ladies and gentlemen. Craig, I believe that you started with Virtual Street Food Festival performing, and now you are going to be representing the United Arab Emirates in WICOPA, which is the World's Championship of Performing Arts. Yes. And that will be on? Okay.
Salut.
Yeah.
Salut, no.
What?
My son.
Yes.
No. My son.
Oh.
Because he's
I don't like killing you. Okay, so now, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to see Gangdan dance? Yeah, we will put you ready. Ask them first.
Are you ready?
Okay. Yes, I will dance with you, of course. Ladies and gentlemen, dancing to the tune of Chanak Chalo, Gangdan! Ready? Everybody, you can dance with us also. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Paano ba ito? Kailangan ko ng tulong. Girls, come on! Let's do this! Join us, join us, join us! Party, 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 party! Let's go! Come on! Alina, alina! For Ganda!
Now you want to sing.
Di pa tapos? Not finished?
I have another song.
You have another
Which is
song?
the Mustafa example.
Malapit na po yan sa may museum natin.
Museum of the Future.
Museum of the Future.
So the Lipan Tower is opposite of the Museum of the Future in Sheikh Zayed Road.
Exactly. And you can just you can visit them anytime from Mondays to Sunday, from Monday to Saturday from 6 to 9 p.m.
So it's open. It's an office for travel ways.
Travel Ways. It's at the headquarters.